佢神神秘秘咁話整咗個好好睇嘅早餐俾我。哇！
咦？
原本我以為佢係熱嘅，但係佢係凍嘅，煙燻凍魚同埋麵包做早餐，諗都冇諗過。嚟到歐洲咧，無論去到邊一個超市或者商店，你都可以見到琳琅滿目嘅歐包，價錢都有貴有平啦。咁啊，呢啲嘢豐儉由人，最平嗰啲咧幾毫子之內提就有一個，佢嘅價錢係按一個個咁計嘅。今日就嚟到一座森林，咁呢個森林有咩特別呢？佢就係啲樹係攣嘅。
Someone asked them, we're in a crooked forest.
Wait. Go.
Says that it started to exist around 1934. Nobody knows why it looks like this. And now we're going to look at the theories, why it looks like this, because it's very interesting.
It's just conspiracy or it's a real
Conspiracy
thing?
is not truth.
So nobody knows the real reason, but it's just what they
Nobody
guess.
knows. The first reason is the tanks during the war that they might hit and bend over the trees. Second one is that people did it on purpose. Then the trees were bred this way so we can produce the sleds. Here is for the Christmas trees that they cut the Christmas tree right here and only the side of it is growing back. This is the local hotel, just try to create the tourist attractions. I don't need to talk about this one because it's weird. Here are parasites that destroy the trees, but it's not likely. And the last one is some water beneath the earth influence the trees to grow into this shape.
都咪話佢有啲攣得嚟咧，即係好似呢個咁，坐上去又真係幾鬼舒服，啱啱好，仲可以晾埋腳。話說咧，我今朝手機喺度收咗條短信，就話今日個空氣會好差，話會有霧霾，建議我哋唔好出門，唔好開窗通風。呢啲就係佢哋所講嘅霧霾。今日係啃路嘅一日。
Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads.
Take me home to the place.
超級長的樓梯。
外父佬啊，上面睇景會好靚啊。What's the air condition now?
I can't sense anything.
You should say very bad.
Oh, give me my air mask.
West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country roads. I hear her voice in the morning now, she calls.
呢個坦克咧有成50噸重喎，而且係堅嘢嚟嘅。
And driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads.
估佢唔到呢啲咁嘅地方，居然有個博物館。有啲以前嘅軍裝啦。呢個係1945年嘅手寫波蘭文，佢哋都話睇唔明。呢個係 passport， 你有冇見過護照係手寫嘅？
These are the Polish soldiers that died in the battles around this region, and those big letters means the soldier was unknown. There was a body found, but we have no way to check his identity. These are their names and the rank in the army.
啱啱喺度影下，點知一轉身見到，好彩日光日白嘅大佬。今日我老婆同佢啲朋友出咗去 high， 得返我一支公，喺度諗緊夜晚食咩好，諗下就諗咗一個中國人嘅方法嚟解決呢個問題。小眾點評。美食，哇！中餐，中餐就算啦，中餐食唔起。呢間睇落都 OK 嘅，就呢間不如。波蘭 Szczecin 第一家網紅店添，咁就你啦，就呢間網紅店啦。事不宜遲，出發。真係夠晒大鄉里，啱啱行出門口，行咗成幾百米先醒起我自己係冇帶銀包。一嚟係唔慣啦，二嚟係因為每次嚟波蘭咧，都係基本上我老婆照顧晒我嘅起居飲食，我基本上都唔使點用腦，所以我都好少有機會自己出去揾嘢食。亦都趁佢今日家人有約啦，玩咩料？亦都趁佢今日家人有約啦，咁我都有機會可以試下喺波蘭獨自旅遊嘅感覺。路過呢間音樂廳係 Szczecin 嘅其中一個地標建築嚟嘅，即係你喺小紅書搜呢個城市咧，好多人都會 po 呢個建築嘅相嘅。應該喺呢度啊，望一望個菜牌先。Let's go check it out. So how am I gonna order? I go to you or?
No, I go back.
Okay, thank you. 你唔係話呢環境都幾 fancy。Baked cod loin served with carrot puree and a salad pear, fennel and fried broad beans。就佢。Excuse me, I'm ready to order。可能我坐呢個位太角落頭啦。嘿，喂，見到我未啊？入咗咁耐都唔過嚟。Yeah， 終於見到我。I would like to get this set, please.
Okay.
Okay, and yeah, I think that's gonna be enough for me.
Okay.
Thank you. 哇，終於落單。哇，正。好，唔客氣啊，開波。死啦，唔記得影相添。而家影唔知仲嚟唔嚟一次啦。有佢啦，反正都已經影咗視頻。喺啲西方國家度食魚有一個好處咧，就係你基本上唔使點攆骨，你可以食得好 lazy。I should pay the check in here, right?
Cash or card?
Cash.
59.
Okay.
What are you?
I'm just making some vlog.
Okay.
Stupid vlog, sorry. That's it. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, 辛苦嘢。好，舒服晒。今日到呢度，下次見。